welcome to the first home reset video of 2026. I cannot believe that it's 2026 already. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday season. Today we're going to be resetting the home for winter. We took down all of the Christmas decor already, my husband and I, so you guys don't have to watch us do that, but we still have to clean up the living room before we go ahead and add the decor. We want to add the decor to a nice clean refresh space, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new here, let me introduce myself. Hello, hi, my name is Letitia and welcome to the house of R.Lateish. On this channel we do everything homemaking and home decor. So if that is the kind of content that you guys enjoy, I really do hope that you guys subscribe and stick around and just grow along with us. So having said all of that, we're going to go ahead and clean down all of the countertops and make sure that the room is nice and refreshed, and then we're going to get into decorating for the winter time. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by dusting down all of the surfaces because it's just much easier to clean off the dust and all of the sparkle with my Swiffer duster before I go in with a wet or damp cloth. How was your holiday season? I hope you guys enjoyed it thoroughly. Let me know if you guys already took down your Christmas trees, or if you still have them up, or if you don't even put up Christmas trees at all in your home. We took ours down on after the 6th of January because that is the day after they celebrate the Three Kings. And here in Germany, my husband celebrates the Three Kings, but I used to leave up my tree until after Valentine's Day. I decorated it for Valentine's Day, and then the week after I would take it down. I don't leave it up that long anymore, but after the Three Kings I feel is the perfect time to take it down because I get to enjoy it just a little bit longer, and then I don't have to stress or rush myself about taking it down right after Christmas. After dusting down the countertops, I'm actually using this homemade mix. I'm just using the pink stuff bottle, but I have a homemade mix inside it with vinegar, dish liquid, water, and a few drops of an orange and lemon essential oil. I don't really feel like this product is worth me purchasing again, so I just mix up what I feel is exactly in the product and put it back in the bottle, and I use that for my countertops and my glass windows and mirrors and whatnot. But I do love her paste. I use that on my oven. I clean my oven with that as well as my sink, and that shines really nice. It's just that this glass cleaner or window cleaner, I just don't feel that it is worth repurchasing. To decorate my countertop on this side of the room, I'm just going in with my tall black vase on one end and then the shorter black vase on the other, and I'm adding a few greenery stems. It's just a lot of different greenery. I wanted to keep greenery in this space for a while. I didn't want to go right in with flowers, and I didn't have any leafless stems that I could use in the space, so I just went ahead and added more of that Northful pine stem as well as the eucalyptus stems and a few other little branches in the mix, just to give it a nice full plush look. I also decided to add a few stems into the shorter vase just to carry over some of that greenery to the next side of the table. I'm going to stand up 2 books onto my taller vase, and then I'm going down with just 1 book flat. I couldn't decide if I liked the black bowl here more, or if I like the white one. Which one do you guys like the most? I did leave the black there, but I am so torn. I didn't know which one to keep. Moving on to my TV stand area, this tall vase came from Yus. The other tall vase from the first console table is from my mother-in-law, and the shorter one I got from a Bauhaus. I think it was Globus Bauhaus, I'm not too sure, or maybe it was Amazon, I'm not too sure. I have a lot of vases, but I absolutely love this vase right here. This is my favorite vase in my collection. I need to get more of this. I just love the texture, and the color is just really beautiful, and I'm going in with more greenery. I know you guys might say, why are you adding greenery? But I didn't want to add flowers just yet. I want to save my flowers until it's more springtime, and I didn't only want to keep the pine stems, so I'm mixing in the pine stems, the evergreen, with other greenery, and I feel like this just gives a very pretty, simple, cozy look. Of course, if you guys are interested in anything in my video, make sure that you follow me on my LTK, because I link all of my finds and all of my favorites on my LTK. For my coffee table, I just wanted to keep everything simple. I went right back in with the same vase and florals that I've always had there, some pine stems and other greenery, and I just placed a lot of R.H books around the table, adding a nice, pretty, simple page, a candle of course, and some coasters, and that was it for my coffee table. Very simple, but a little maximalist, just how I like it. We have reached the end of today's video. It was nice, short, and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you do thumbs this up before you leave, and if you're not subscribed as yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I enjoyed spending time with you guys. Let me know what kind of content you want to see from me in 2026, so that I can make sure that I'm actually making content that you guys want to watch. Thank you once again for spending time with me, and I wish you guys a beautiful day. Stay safe, and we will catch up in the next video. Until then, auf Wiedersehen.